Morning Winthrop Vikings. Today is October 6th and we'll be following a Day 5 schedule. CASA is partnering with Be the Light Yoga to offer free yoga classes to teens grades 9 to 12.
The class will be starting from 3:30 to 4:15 p.m. at 482 Shirley Street. It'll be beginning at 17 of October. Make sure to sign up.
The sophomore class will be holding a bake sale at the Winthrop Center from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So make sure to stop by and pick up some spooky treats.
Student Council is running a Fall Spirit Week next week. I hope you got a variety of clothes to show off your Viking pride.
Students who dress up for Spirit Week will be entered into a raffle for a gift card.
On Monday, football night, you can wear your favorite sports shirt or jersey.
On Tired Tuesday, we're going to roll right out of bed and come to school in our jammies.
Wednesday, I encourage you to wear pink for breast cancer awareness.
Thursday is Career Day, so make sure to dress up in college attire for the college fair. And on Friday, we'll wear flannel.
Clubs are swiftly beginning to start up again. And with the activities fair coming, students are deciding what clubs they should join.
Last week we brought you some information about Model UN and debate clubs. To teach us more about math, STEM, and chess club, we have Winthrop's one and only Joey D.
Hi, I'm Joe, and today I'll be highlighting some clubs here at Winthrop High School: Math, STEM, and Chess Club. Chess Club will meet in room 208, where they will team up with other students to play competitive or cooperative chess games. I interviewed Edwin to learn about the club and how you can join the club yourself.
Hi, I'm Edwin. I run the chess club in room 208 with Mr. Lambert. We have session like every Monday after school. A good type of student for the chess club would be someone who likes to strategize and play a lot of board games.
STEM Club is a collection of students who are interested in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Through fun projects and challenging competitions, students will explore the vast worlds of STEM topics and discover new ideas. I interviewed Juliana to get more information on the club.
Hi, I'm Juliana. I'm a sophomore and I'm a part of STEM Club. And we meet in Miss Baker's room.
Hi, I'm Miss Baker. I've been running STEM Club for a year now. We had a great group last year. We participated in the Science Olympiad. We went to Wentworth Institute of Technology over near Northeastern. It was a lot of fun. Some of our STEM Club participants actually placed in a competition about forestry. So we cover all kinds of science topics. And we do like some team building, group challenge kind of stuff in the beginning. We usually start in November, and we meet after school. I'll pick a day of the week and we'll have a Google Classroom to keep you updated. We try to go to local events if there's something about energy that's happening, or other field trips in the area.
We went all out on like science stuff. We sort of did like Christmas ornaments that were like made of crystals, and we do science competitions. We go to the aquarium. We go to different colleges to explore them, like science colleges, to get a feel for like what type of college we would want to go to. And I joined STEM Club because I was interested in science and wanted to become an astronomer.
It's a lot of fun. Come out and join STEM Club, and it's a really great thing to have on your resume. Being in a club is a great way to meet people. And yeah, go science.
STEM Club is a collection of students who are interested in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Through fun projects and challenging competitions, students will explore the vast worlds of STEM topics and discover new ideas.
My name is Reese Broden. I'm the president of Math Club. We meet in Mr. Beck's room at the second Tuesday of every month.
So, I run the Math Club. You'll see flyers like this all around school. On the back is a sample math test, our Math Club test. We meet once a month in this room, minimally. We can meet more. Our president this year is Reese Broden. And our Google Classroom code, well, let's just say it looks like that.
In the meetings, we usually have a competition, so there's about, I'd say like 8 problems, and you can work by yourself or work together or ask for help. And you work on these really difficult math problems that can range from like all different subjects. I think it's a lot of fun to come with your friends. It's really challenging, so you get to see how well you do. Mr. Beck will post your score in the classroom, see who did the best, see who did the worst, and how to get better for next week.
All students should join. Looks good on the resume, it's fun doing math problems. They start out from easy to getting to ridiculously hard, but everybody should be able to get 1 or 2 per week. our per month contest. There's only 6 contests. It's a fun atmosphere. We kind of work together on them a little bit, even though that's not in the rules. But anyone from freshmen to seniors can both be successful as well as learn new math in the process.
Thank you. As you can see here, Math, STEM, and Chess Club all seem like great clubs to me. If you're interested in joining, make sure to talk to somebody in the club or the club's teacher. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thank you, Joey D, for all the info on the after-school activities. I hope you all consider joining some of these clubs. Make sure to attend the activity fair during lunch to find out which club is right for you.
I think I'm pretty good at chess, and I bet I could probably beat Mr. Lambert.
Definitely not. Now that we're in the middle of fall, we should check in with our sports teams, how they're doing, and upcoming matches. Here's Robert.
Hi, I'm Robert with Wake-Up Winthrop, and today I will be giving a full sports update to see how all of our teams are doing midway through the season. The boys soccer team is off to a great start to the season with a record of 4-5-1, already passing their win total from last year. They are looking to improve on their record as the season continues and hopefully make it into the playoffs. Senior Jack Osborne has been helping out on the defensive end, slide tackling every forward that comes his way. Their next game is Monday, home, at 10 a.m. against Swampscott. We talked to Captain Mateo Martinez to see how the season is going and what he is looking forward to as the season continues.
Alright, I think to see more success, we need to start scoring goals, creating more offense, finishing our chances, and then stop fighting, stop getting cards, honestly. I'm looking forward to winning more games, and I think making playoffs, hopefully, winning senior night against Marblehead. Yeah.
The girls soccer team has a record of 2-7 with big wins coming against Salem and Excel Academy. New goalie Reese Broden has been really stepping it up this season to help the team with their success, making key saves in their win against Excel. Their next game is Monday away against Swampscott, so make sure to show your support. We talked to Captain Hannah Parker to see what the team needs to do to see more success and continue to improve on areas of strength.
So we have a few injured players right now, and I'm really excited for them to get back on the field. I think it's going to really help the team as a whole. I also think that the team's going to grow better on and off the field as the season progresses, and that will really help us succeed. I think overall we just need to communicate a little bit better on and off the field and treat our practices more of like a game-like situation and just focus on the smaller details.
The cross-country team is led by Captain April Ferguson and have started off their season with a record of 1-1, with huge victory coming against NEC rival Peabody. The cross-country team is having trouble this season with depth issues, but that has not stopped them from running as fast as they can and trying to get a new PR every race. We talked to cross-country captain April to see what she is looking forward to as they approach the end of the season.
Our season's going pretty good. We're halfway through the regular season. We just got a 5th boy, so now the boys can qualify to win. The girls can't, but we're just trying to get better every week. As the season goes on, I'm just looking forward to seeing everybody improve and hopefully enjoying running.
The football team had a tough loss against Danvers with a score of 27-7, with the only touchdown coming from Nick Capuccio from 58 yards away and a good kick into the uprights by George Galores. We caught up with George Galores to see how they are going to come back and prepare for the game today at 6:30 against Gloucester at our own Miller Field. Make sure to come and show your support and cheer for our team.
This week we've gone back to some basic things we were missing last week. We all know what we are capable of doing, and we just need to get down the fundamentals before we can move on to bigger and better things.
We're currently 2-2, and we're versing Gloucester, and they're a tough opponent. They have a tough running back, and they run a spread offense. Things we're doing in practice is definitely running backs, I think, are stepping it up. We're going full speed, full contact, making sure we get our blocks right. And I think Philly Boncory is really helping us out in the scout defense because he's a good linebacker and we run belly or anything downhill, he's always there.
Yeah, the scout team's really picked it up this week, and we've been focusing on, like I said, all the fundamentals, getting our head across, getting the right steps, and really just making sure we're doing the right thing at all times.
The golf team is having a good start to the season with an even record of 5-5. Thomas Babine played well against St. Mary's, getting some great power behind the ball and finishing in the close game getting a score of 46. The golf team believes that they have a good shot to get into the States and continue to see all their players compete with the talented NEC pool of teams. We caught up with Ryan Murphy to find out more about his play and the team.
So this year our record's 5-6, and a player that really stepped up this year is a freshman, Nikita Rossi. He's done a lot to help out the team. The structure with our coaching this year is it's really helping our scores and impacting our game. He's really helping us one-on-one with nets, chipping, and putting, and it's really impacting our record.
The volleyball team has a record of 2-11 with a tough loss last game against Swampscott, with some highlights coming from Mira at the net and Tina getting good digs in to keep their volleys alive. Their next game is today, so make sure to go support them. We caught up with someone on the team to get more information on upcoming games and what their strategies are to improve.
Some things we've been working on is getting good digs, making sure we have 3 touches, communicating on and off the court, and getting and making sure we have accurate serves.
So someone who's been definitely doing amazing is Zoe. She's always getting to the second ball, she's always hustling, and she just brings so much great energy. And Lily has been doing amazing at hitting and swinging at that ball, and her serves are always on point.
Make sure to try and support all of our teams as they continue on with their season. Also, try and make it to the football game this Friday at home as they take on Gloucester after a long stretch of away games. We wish the best of luck to all of our fall athletes. That's all I have. Now back to you in the studio.
I'm glad I know what to expect for this sports season.
Next, we want to make sure we have a great student section at our upcoming games. So we have Sam and Shannon on the case.
I gotta say, I'm really disappointed in what I'm seeing in the stands at some of these games this year. I'm looking for some good cheers from the student body, and I just haven't seen it yet. And so, to avoid embarrassment as we move forward, I think it's important that you guys spend some time and follow the seniors as they show you what you need to do.
Hey Vikings, listen up. We agree with Mr. Crombie. It's time to officially introduce our student section.
To do this, we put together a group of senior students to show some of our main chants.
I'm Billy Hayes. I'm the chant leader, which you should listen to me when we do chants in the stew.
Before we get into the chants, let's talk about crowd etiquette.
Seniors in the front, juniors, sophomores, and freshmen to follow. Seniority always, listen to your seniors.
No throwing anything at all.
Always have good sportsmanship.
Always participate in themes.
And never push a shot. Be loud, always participate in chants, or go sit with your parents.
Only say the chants 3 times. Let's go Vikings! Let's go Vikings! Let's go Vikings!
And most importantly, always have fun.
Now for the fun part. Let's hear some chants.
Here's what we do at kickoff.
Robin! 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 Robin!
Next we have our defense chants.
Defense! 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 Defense!
This one looks pretty cool. It's my favorite. It's part the sea.
Everybody hands up! Ah! 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 Ah!
This one's a new one, so pay close attention. We use it when the game's going slow and to get some energy up.
This one will have a couple people start it up. Here's a TikTok video on how to do it.
This one we use near the end of the game when we're winning or it's a close game, usually just to get the spirits up.
I believe! I believe! I believe that! I believe that! I believe that we! I believe that we! I believe that we will win! I believe that we will win! I believe that we will win!
This is what we use when we get a big first down.
Move the chains! Move the chains! Move the chains!
What do we do to close down the game?
Here's the first one.
Warm the buses!
Here's the last one.
Na 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 na. Na na na.
This is what mixtape.
Goodbye.
Now that you guys know all the chants, we expect you to be at every game and be loud. Be there tonight at 6:30 to see the boys play Gloucester. The theme is pink out, so show up in all pink and bring the energy. That's all we have. Now back to you guys in the studio.
Still hitting me on whatever it is I use on the computer these days.
Wow, I've never been to a football game. I think I'll go to one.
Me neither. Thank you, Sam and Shannon, for taking the time to give us the details on the student section.
That's all for today.
Roll Vikes.